Hi students, here in this video we are going to learn inverse of a function on the unit sets and functions. So here let us take the function f of x equal to 2x plus 3, which we have written in as a flow diagram. X implies when we multiply by 2, then the next step is add 3, we get 2x plus 3. So in this way we process the function. Now the inverse function goes on the other way, that is y, we take y and subtract minus 3 from y, then divide by 2, we get y minus 3 by 2. So this is the reverse process. We find the inverse of a function. So the inverse of 2x plus 3 is y minus 3 by 2. Now how to find the inverse of any given function? The procedure to find the solution: write as a linear equation and replace f of x equal to y. Second thing, switch the x and y. Now solve for y is the third step, and fourth step is write in inverse notation. So we get the inverse of the given function. For example, we take the first one. If f of x equal to 2x plus 3, find the inverse function. So the first one, let us take a y equal to the given function f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Now you replace y as x. That is, y equal to 2x plus 3, I am swapping. Instead of y, I am taking x, and x I am taking as y. Now I want to find the value of y, which is my inverse. So x is equal to, bring 3 this side, we get x minus 3 by 2, that is y. So f inverse of x is nothing but x minus 3 by 2. This is the inverse function. In the second problem, find the inverse of f of x equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 5x minus 7. So let us take y equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 5x minus 7. Here swapping x and y, we get x is equal to 2y minus 3 divided by 5y minus 7. Now cross multiply and you solve it, we get finally y into 5x minus 2 is equal to 7x minus 3. Now we want to find out y, which is the inverse of f inverse of x. So we are getting y is equal to 7x minus 3 divided by 5x minus 2. So this is the inverse function of for the given value. Next we will see what is a composite function. A composite function is a function that depends on another function. A composite function is created when one function is substituted in another function. And for example, we can take f of g of x is the composite function, that is, here g of x is substituted in f of x in the place of x. Now f of g of x can also be written as f composite g of x or f of g of x. Example, the first example we will say given f of x equal to x square plus 6 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So here we want to find out the first one f composite g of x, second one g composite f of x. So the first one f composite g of x, it's nothing but f of g of x. So what is here g of x? G of x is 2x minus 1. F of g of x, it is 2x minus 1. It means that we have to substitute in the place of x, we have to substitute 2x minus 1. When you substitute here 2x minus 1 whole square plus 6, on expanding we will get 4x square minus 4x plus 7. Next, the second problem, g composite f of x, we write it as g of x square plus 6. That is g of f of x. So in g of x, we have to substitute x square plus 6. So what is a g of x? It is 2x minus 1. When we substitute x value as x square plus 6, on calculation, on simplification, finally we get 2x square plus 11. Second problem, if f of x equal to minus 4x plus 9 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 7, Then find f composite g of x. So that is f composite g of x, we write it as f of g of x. It means that in the place of x in f, we have to substitute g of x function. So what is a g of x here? It is 2x minus 7. So this, when we substitute here, minus 4 into 2x minus 7 plus 9. When we multiply, we get minus 8x plus 28 plus 9, and on simplification we get minus 8x plus 37. So f composite g of x is minus 8x plus 37. Suppose if I give a value for x as a 3. If I give a value for 3, that is f composite g of 3 I want to find, just substitute, replace x as 3, and we are getting the answer as 13. Third problem, if f of x equal to minus 4x plus 9 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 7, find f composite f, g composite f of minus 1. So g composite f of x can be written as g of f of x. That is, x in the g, we have to replace the function f of x. So here I can write it as 2 into x, 2x minus 7. In this, I have to replace x as 4x minus 4x plus 9. So on simplification, I am getting minus 8x plus 11. So g composite f of x can be written as minus 8x plus 11. And suppose I want to find out the particular value of, x, that is minus 1. G composite f of minus 1, I can write it as substituting minus 8 into minus 1 plus 11. So finally we get the answer 19. So these are the problems, and the remaining problems will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.